Okay, guys, so welcome to the very first video where we kind of break down the crux of the awareness marketing objective for Facebook ads. If you haven't already done so, guys, make sure you check out the very first video where we introduce the topics behind awareness, consideration, and conversion ads, and the things that you want to keep in mind when you go ahead and create ads. But without further ado, what I want to say is I encourage everybody to subscribe to Ecom Warriors, this YouTube channel, and it only takes a second to do so. And the reason why I say that is because what we're doing here is we're trying to create a movement that helps as many people become successful in e-commerce as possible. And of course, Facebook advertising is one of those cornerstones. And that's why you're watching this video today. So let's go ahead and get started. So brand awareness ads. They fit in the awareness marketing objective category. And if you notice that there's only two selections within the awareness type ads. And what brand awareness is really for is that Facebook has a group of people that they know, and it's a very large group of people on Facebook, that they know that these users are, when they're put in front of them, a certain ad in front of their face, not only does it resonate with them, but they tend to remember these individuals. And this is what the brand awareness ad is perfect for. So what you want to do is when you utilize this ad, you want to take advantage of the concept that you're not only going to be reaching people, but you're going to be leaving a lasting impression on these people. And most of the time with this lasting impression, it looks like in the term of getting a like on your post. It might be getting a like on your Facebook page. Whatever that may be. It could be a like on, depending if you're doing Instagram, it might be a like on your Instagram page. It might be a like on or a follow on your Instagram profile. And that's something you want to be aware that Facebook owns Instagram. But the main thing to take away from an awareness type ad or a brand awareness type ad is you're putting an ad in front of people's face that are highly likely to not only interact with that, assuming that you're selecting the right targets for the ad within the ad set, but not only interact with it, but leave a lasting impression on these individuals, okay? So this is something you want to keep in mind. And who is this ad ideally good for? Well, let's talk about it. So I've seen a lot of influencers utilize this type of ad. And the reason why they utilize this type of ad is because, let's face it, they want lasting followers who are interested in a certain thing, right? And really what makes brand awareness, and I'll talk about this a little bit more in the next video when we talk about reach, but really what makes brand awareness so different from reach is that reach, its main specific goal is to put the ad in front of as many people as possible, not necessarily people who it's going to resonate with. Does that make sense, guys? So you have one goal within awareness. Remember that awareness, the main goal within any awareness ad is to just reach as many people as possible in comparison to a consideration or a conversion type ad. However, a brand awareness type ad is specifically going out of the way to reach as many people as possible in combination with having or leaving a lasting impression on individuals or people, and by thereby decreasing the overall cost that it takes to reach people. Now, something that I do want to say is you can make a conversion off of a brand awareness type ad or a consideration type ad. And the way that works, and I'm going to go ahead and pull out a whiteboard here. The way that works is you need to understand the concepts of a funnel. And a marketing funnel is just a general process that you enter people through. And this is my best drawing for a funnel here, where we have the little nozzle, we have the entrance of the funnel here. There are different stages to a funnel. And the first stage is awareness, right? People being aware of you, right? And we could utilize an awareness ad, such as a brand awareness ad. Let's say if I'm a real estate agent in the area, right? And I create this awareness ad to just, hey, let people know that I'm here, I'm a real estate agent, etc. And then my next one would be interaction, right? So what would happen is a certain individual, a certain group of individuals, a little bit less than the first group, will interact with that specific ad with the goal of ideally following me as an individual if I was a real estate agent, right? And then from that point, when they interact with me, all my future posts will be geared towards some kind of product or some kind of way that I could serve them to make some kind of money, and that will then lead to the conversion. So for the future, guys, whenever you create these type of ads, understand that you're not getting the conversion right away with a brand awareness type ad, but you're getting it indirectly through a funnel type process. Okay, guys, that's all I have to say about the brand awareness ad. Let's go ahead and move into the reach ad. Okay, that'll be in the next video. Just simply click the link in the description so that we can go ahead and move on to the next video.